Hello everyone, welcome back to NTJR. My name is Julie, and today we're going to be unboxing the HIDprojector.com headlights. So I have actually ordered the revision 2.0 signature, so let's take a look. So the first thing, whenever you open the box, you will notice some instructions on how to install your new headlights. Alright, so let's get rid of this here. And these are the headlights. These look pretty awesome. I'm so excited to get them installed onto Arctica. Alright, so let's get these out of the box. So these feel like they have a pretty good weight to them.
Okay, so these are the HIDprojector.com headlights, and from what I can tell, they're really great quality. They have decent weight to them. It actually has some breather tubes on the back. It comes with all your resistors for the LEDs so they don't flicker. And all in all, they're just really high quality headlights.
Okay, so these specific ones are the revision 2.0 signature headlights from HIDprojectors.com. These sets are fully customizable. Ours came with the blacked out housings and black monster shrouds. They also have the white amber switchback double angel eyes, the white amber switchback halos, red devil eyes inside the projector housing that will make the projector lens glow red on demand. These come with a 6000K HID bulbs with 35 watt ballast that have high low beam functionality. Attached to the ballast are canvas air cancelers. The switchback angel eye halo headlights have a dual power settings for bright white or dim white daytime running lights and a built-in amber LED switchback function for tapping into your turn signals. Each set is hand-built here in the US using premium components.
Alright, so we ordered headlights for the JK. They're 7-inch headlight. Now, we ordered this particular one because we actually already have the Valkyrie adapter, so we can run 7-inch headlights on our Renegade. For those of you that don't have the Valkyrie adapter, I have some great news though. HIDprojector.com actually makes a Renegade headlight that is fully customizable as well. Now, for the sake of the ones that we have, I'm going to just run over some of the components that it comes with. There's quite a few wires here that can seem kind of intimidating, but they seem very well labeled and pretty straightforward. Their instructions I've already looked at seem to be pretty thorough, so that's great news. Now, on these particular headlights, they actually already have the anti-flicker for all the rings for both your angel eyes and your halo, which that's actually really cool. All in all, these seem like really good headlights. All the seals are great. They actually have a perma-seal on the lens, which will definitely keep the water out. In case a little bit of condensation does build, they do have drain plugs built in. Most HID headlights will build a condensation naturally, which that'll help it drain out.
So we're going to get these installed and we'll be right back to show you what they look like at night.
Okay, so we got the HIDprojector.com headlights installed, And just from initial inspection of the beam pattern here, they look fantastic. We came from X-Bright LED headlights before, so we can't really compare them to the factory ones. But just, it's a night and day difference, even from the LEDs that we had before. They're much brighter. The cutoff line on these is amazing. It doesn't blind oncoming cars at all. The headlights actually have a very interesting cutoff line. It's really hard to make out in the camera, but they step down actually right at the center line for the road. So that way they're a little bit lower on the left than they are on the right. And that really helps with keeping yourself from blinding your other drivers coming at you, which I think is awesome. Now we do have these positioned height-wise perfectly, but we still have a few slight adjustments left to make on them. But just from what I've been able to tell so far, it's a vast improvement over what we had before. I do want to state though that the X-Bright headlights that we did have before were awesome compared to our stock halogens, so I can only imagine if we went from our halogens straight to these, we probably would have been in shock a little bit. Okay, I just want to take a moment and show you guys the difference in the high beams. These are the regular just driving lights, and the high beams actually make a huge difference. They get considerably brighter. The camera is actually doing it no justice at all. Alright, here's the brights again. As you can tell, the beam goes really high up into the trees and just projects really far. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing for our HID projector.com headlights. If there's anything you guys would like to see differently in future videos as far as our unboxings go, or our just reviews in general, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to try to incorporate those in future videos. Thank you guys. See you next time.